It's easy to see why Harrogate District is renowned for being such a friendly and well-facilitated destination for business. From modern purpose-built facilities capable of hosting thousands, to traditional stately homes and hotels, as well as versatile spaces and unique venues, all set in welcoming towns and beautiful Yorkshire countryside. Easily accessible to both national and international visitors, Harrogate District boasts a wide range of industry-accredited venues, accommodating everything from conferences, meetings and events to outdoor activity days, exhibitions and corporate entertainment. With cafes, restaurants, shopping and accommodation on hand in the compact town centre of Harrogate, the district also has plenty to offer if you want to escape into the countryside, making it one of Europe's finest conference destinations.